Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and it is pre-cruise embarkation day. We have arrived here in Galveston, Texas. We are here at our hotel, and Tiffany's got the name of the hotel there because I'm having a hard time pronouncing this one.
We are too, but we think it's Gaido's Seaside Inn.
Okay, so we are on the seawall side here in Galveston, and we'll show everybody all of that kind of good stuff. It's not a bad little hotel. It's an off name, so it's not a brand name hotel. It's not your Holiday Inn, your Hiltons, anything like that. But this hotel with taxes total came out to $90 a night. So we'll kind of show you around and show you what you get for $90 here in Galveston.
And you get a free breakfast.
Yes, and it does come with breakfast included. So let's take a look. We're going to start off with the room. We'll show you the room, and then we're going to go around the property. All right, so we're going to start off here by the front door. Yes, Tiffany is still sitting over on the bed putting on her shoes, but we're going to go ahead and start here from the door. So coming straight in the room, we do have a king-size bed. Just going to give you a quick overview. It's got some nice decorations. Come up here, it's got a little shelf running along the top. It's got some books, some artwork. Over here on the nightstand, it does have USB chargers. They have DirecTV for your TV service here. You do have a small table with 2 chairs. Nice big window. We still have the curtains opened up. Like I said, a big king-size bed. The bed was very, very soft. Come around, you have your microwave. You got this little fridge, refrigerator, freezer. I don't know. I kind of like that thing. It reminds me of a retro fridge. And so I like that. Got a little coffee maker and a little bar area and your TV here on the wall. And it's a pretty good sized little room. Then you come over here and you have your sink area. And it's got the handsome. Now, one interesting thing, and I've honestly got to say, I haven't seen this in a lot of rooms, but right here, they provide Q-tips. They got little individual packets of Q-tips in there. Come in the bathroom, and of course you have the throne for doing your throne business. And on the wall, they do have shampoo, conditioner, and your soap.
They also have shower caps if you don't want to get your hair wet.
And shower caps. Tiffany has been way fascinated with those shower caps since we got in the room. And brings you back out in the room. So we're going to do a quick little room spin here just so you can get a look at it. And that's the room here. Like I said, not bad considering we paid less than $100 for this room. Now it's right on the seawall, or near the seawall, so the ocean is literally just right across the street, and I'll show you guys that. So the outside is probably not as smooth or as modern looking as some other places, but it's constantly got seawater and things coming right off the ocean hitting it. So I'm not really surprised. It's a beachfront hotel basically. And it looks like one, but so far so good. Everything looks beautiful and it's clean. And this hotel does have 8.5 out of 10 star review. So that's kind of what made us pick it. But now we're going to head outside and take a look around the property. So we are staying in room 206, and they do have a couple of chairs right outside your room. If you look down, everybody gets chairs. So they have chairs all the way down. And we're on the second floor, but just to kind of give you a quick glimpse. Now this is just a straight motel. So all the doors come right out into the parking lot. Nothing super fancy, but so far been pretty nice. All right, so we do have the pool, entrance to the beachfront rooms, and it does look like up here there is an observation deck that we will check out. We're going to head over into the pool area. All right, so now we are in the pool area. Take a quick walk around. And for being January, the pool does look clean. They got chairs over there. There is a bar area over there. It's not currently open. But they do have lounge chairs around the pool. And down on this end, it looks like a kids area that they can play in. So no lifeguard on duty in the pool, no diving, no running, jumping, or diving. So you do have all of your pool warning signs. All right, so we are here at the front of the property, and of course there is the sign for the Seaside Inn. Has the phone number there in case you're interested. Just give you a quick look at the front. Now here in the front, of course, they have all the doors painted in the island colors. And right across the street is the Gulf of Mexico. So you've got the water right across the way. You've got a pier you can walk out, a little jetty to walk out right over here. All you have to do is cross the street and you have beach and ocean with the hotel right here. And Tiffany, I'm not sure what she's doing. She appears to be staring at the grass.
There's a seashell.
Oh, looking at seashells in the grass. All right, here on the backside, you can play horseshoes. We've got a little more sitting areas back here. Got to work our way around over here. So they do have some different games out here in this area. It's looking just a tad rough, but
It is winter.
it is winter time. They got the large chess,
Bowling.
some outdoor bowling. And this area is probably a lot livelier when it's not 50 degrees outside. And then right over there, that it would be a fountain. But with some of the weather we've been having lately, I'm sure that is why they have the fountain turned off. But some additional seating, some additional areas to hang out and play some games here in the back. All right, so now we're gonna head up and see what the observation deck is all about. What can we observe? All right, so far I'm observing signs for restaurants. Nick's Kitchen, Beach and Bar. A sign advertising for some Mardi Gras. I guess this kind of give you a bird's eye view. Here, and you can see down here, here's some more of the seating for the Nick's Kitchen and Beach Bar. Now, this restaurant is attached to the hotel as well, but of course, extra charge. All right, so what do you think of this location?
I like it.
You feeling it?
Yeah.
Would you recommend it so far?
Yes.
Granted, we just got here.
Yes. But you're on the seawall, you get that pretty view. The rooms are nice. I mean, we've paid more for less.
That's
and
true.
Not as nice.
That's true too.
So, and we get complimentary breakfast in the morning. I like it.
All right, so that is going to be our first part. We're going to do the second part in the morning. That's going to be our first part, our room tour, our quick tour here around the hotel. Now, of course, the free breakfast and what they offer, and the breakfast buffet portion of that won't be till tomorrow morning. So that's going to be the second half of this video. Like, as soon as we're done talking, it'll be this video, but we're going to have to play the time traveling game. And it'll be tomorrow morning. It is now the next morning, embarkation morning. We're going to go down and show you guys the breakfast that is available here in the hotel, just to kind of finish up the hotel video now that we've had a sleep. Still have good things to say about the hotel even the next morning. The bed was a little rough. But let's go eat breakfast, because what are you waiting on?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
You don't want coffee.
Yes, I want coffee.
All right, we're off to get some coffee. All right, so we're in here for breakfast. They got coffee, of course.
Good morning, you guys.
Good morning. How are
I
you?
have scrambled eggs, burritos, pancakes, taters and grits, and waffles. How can I help you this morning? Plates right there.
We got all kinds of stuff going on in here.
If you're looking for coffee, coffee will be in the lobby. You don't need no cup or nothing. Everything is set up with.
All right, so once you grab your breakfast, there's no place to sit downstairs, I guess. I mean, you could sit outside in one of the common areas outside. A little chilly this morning, so we came back upstairs. But that's a nice thing. They put the tables in the rooms. You got tables and chairs in the rooms. They had a pretty good selection. They had the waffles, eggs, breakfast burritos, potatoes, grits. So You know, not bad for what is
Bagels.
essentially an economy.
They had bagels and cereal as well, so a little bit of stuff for everybody.
You know, and you can kind of see our breakfast right here. All right, so that is going to be our tour here of the Surfside Inn in Galveston, Texas. That's it. Just a nice little economy hotel. It's been great. We had a good night. It was super quiet. Everybody here has been super friendly. Less than $100 to spend the night here pre-cruise. All right, so I hope everyone has enjoyed today's tour, today's video here of the hotel. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.